3 ways to build your finance blog or website. Number 1, create high quality content. Content is the king, and the most part of your building a successful finance blog or website is to create a high quality, informative and engaging content. Focus on topics that are relevant to your target audience and provide unique insights and perspectives. Make sure to use clear and concise language and include relevant data and statistics to support your points. Number 2, use social media. Social media can be a powerful tool for promoting your finance blog and website and also build a loyal followers. Create profiles on social media platforms such as Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook and share your content on a regular basis. Engage with your followers, respond to their comments and participate in relevant discussions. Number 3, optimize for search engine. Optimize your finance blog or website for search engines can help you to attract more traffic and reach a wider audience. Make sure you use relevant keywords in your content and consider investing in search engine optimization tool or hiring an SEO professional to help you to improve your website ranking. If you need more such content, do follow me and stay updated on finance learnings.